Yeah, be back, Nyla.
Man, what the fuck? Oh shit!
Exactly. Anyways, we're in BBW. Look at
Damn,
this.
that shit was in here all night. Shit probably still.
Cold.
Thank you.
Hold on. Let me see what y'all get. Got that grenade.
Yeah, I got grenade.
Strawberry boba.
I ain't gonna be walking with that cold shit. It's cold than a motherfucker.
What's going on with you?
No.
$15 on himself.
17.
Yeah, that's crazy. The burger is $10.
I'm broke as hell. Who hiring out here? The crack is open. No, did it?
We get fried.
It's hot.
Where we're running from.
It's Mexican rice.
Ooh.
That's what a real
That's
burger
big as
looks like.
hell. You can even wait.
That's nice. What is this? You said this is good?
Yeah, that good to eat.
Big ass. What are you doing? Holding your pants?
Oh, yeah.
What the fuck is happening?
That ain't got no drawers on.
Ugh. This is just bad. What are you doing?
Oh,
My
shoot.
fucking meat's gone.
See? It's cold as f. Oh my god, not the middle part. Dang, you got a lot of stuff in here.
Let me get this fire. I'll be back out.
There's a starter on your floor.
Yeah, I need to throw that away.
It's definitely snowing.
I'm about to start it if you want to go to the back.
Go ahead. What you doing here? Explain to to YouTube. Okay, now explain what you're doing.
Oh, I'm watching them both.
Alright.
Y'all ready? Y'all want to see? You can sand it down anyway.
Barely.
Is it wide angle? It don't look wide. Damn, this shit can see my text messages? You seen that truck try to burn out on me?
Which way is like this? That makes sense. God damn.
Oh, you just ran over your lip. Ran over cousin's lip.
That's crazy. Hell yeah.
Anyways, the plan for today is I'm gonna fix my side skirt. yeah, we were supposed to be putting this on Cedric's G, but my little brother ran it over on accident. So, but I say still put it on. This thing got like fitment issues. It doesn't fit perfect. So we gonna have to cut it and probably melt it. Hey, you do something crazy.
Huh?
Look at that. Okay, Faith, explain to the vlog what we're doing. Old. The new tail lights.